Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to change app permissions on Samsung Galaxy A27. To change app permissions, you can go to the settings. Then in the main page of settings you'll find apps, which are going to be right here. And then you can click on any app that you would like to adjust the permissions of. So let's say I want to change the permissions of Google Chrome. Then I need to click on permissions and you'll see what's allowed and what's not allowed. If I want to allow camera for Google Chrome in case I want to use some voice chats, video chats, some video chats on the web, in the browser, I can select the camera permission and allow it to use while using the app. For a location, I can also do it. I can also disallow that location if I don't want to use it anymore. You can also change permissions in another way, which is clicking on three dots in the top right corner of the app menu. So 3 dots in the top right corner, find Permission Manager, and then you'll find all sections of permissions. So if you want to disallow camera for multiple apps at once, you just go to Camera. Then you'll see no apps, in my case, are allowed all the time. So only while in use, these apps can do it, and these are not allowed. So I can now select an app that I want to allow. Let's say Instagram. I do want it to use the camera so I can take photos and post them to my story. But let's say I don't really want Google Chrome to use my camera anymore. I can click on it and click on Don't Allow. And that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.